Hello guys, welcome to my channel. While dealing with the properties of Marriage and Shundi in last videos, I explained the Virya and Vibhaga of both drugs. So I thought I need to explain the terms Virya and Vibhaga in this video. Both are very vast concepts. If I try to explain both in detail, it will take more time, so I am describing both in simple way. Let's see Virya and Vibhaga. Virya, it is a factor which capable or responsible for producing drug action. Vipaka, it is the end product of a dravya which is the outcome of digestion or metabolism. Virya is two types, Ushna and Shita. Vipaka, as per Acharya Charaka, Vagbhatta, Parashara are three, Madhura, Amla, Kadu. And as per Acharya Sushruta, they are two, Madhura and Kadu. Okay, let's start with the drug Pippali, one of the Trigadu. I already completed the former two drugs, Shundi and Maricha. This is the third one in the group, Trigadu. The drugs from a group will having similar properties and their combination can be seen in preparations also. If we go through classical reference, same gonna have the drugs from same group. So I think explaining each drugs from a group like Trigadu, Triphala, Dashamula, etc. is easy to memorize rather than explaining drugs in alphabetical order. Here it is the picture of long pepper. It is an exotic climbing perennial plant that usually bears long, thin, conical, rigid fruit. Fruits of this plant are slightly yellow to orange in color, pungent in taste. Color changes from yellowish orange to brownish black on drying, and it is the dry fruits that offers therapeutic benefits. Okay, let's move to its detailed description. Pippali, long pepper, Latin name Piper longum, family Piperaceae. Synonyms are Krishna, Kana, Kola, Chapala, Tikshna, Tandula, Magadhiga, Vaidehi, Ushana, Shaundi. Botanical description. It is an aromatic slender climber. Stems are creeping, jointed, attached to other plants while climbing. Leaves are subacute, entire, glabrous, cordate at base. Glabrous means it's smooth without hairs, and cordate at base means heart-shaped base. Considering the flowers, they are pendulate spike. Female spikes are 1.25 to 2 cm long, rising singly from leaf axil, are cylindrical, short and stout. It gives rise to multiple fruit which is shining dark green when immature and blackish green when fully mature. Male spikes are longer, slender and are 2.5 to 7.5 cm long. Fruits are yellowish orange, ovoid, sunken fleshy spike. Considering the flowering and fruiting season, flowers in rainy season and fruits in autumn. Distribution found in hotter parts of India from central Himalayas to Assam, Kashi, also in western Ghats from Konkan to Kerala. While moving to the properties, Rasa, Virya, Vipaka, Karma, Guna of Pippali. Rasa is Kadarasa, Virya Ushna Virya, Vipaka Madhura Vipaka, Karmas are Padakavara, Deepana, Vrishya, Rasayana. Gunas are Lagu, Snigdha, Tikshna. As you know, the Pippali comes under Trigadu. All drugs in Trigadu having same Rasa and Virya, that is Kadarasa and Ushna Virya. Considering the Vibhaga, Marija having Kadu Vibhaga but Shundi and Pippali having Madhura Vibhaga. Karma, Padakavara, main karma in three drugs, Shundi, Marija and Pippali. Dibana also. Dealing with Guna, this Tikshna comes in all three drugs. Marija having Avrishya Karma, Pippali having Vrishya Karma. While comparing the properties, you can see the similarity in between these three drugs comes under the heading Trigadu. Then therapeutic uses. Kamala, Rasayana, Chardi, Shwasa. In Kamala, Pippali is used as Nasya and Anjana. And in Rasayana, Acharya Charaka in Chikilsasthana explains how to use Pippali as Rasayana. A person desirous of rejuvenation should take 5, 8, 7, 10 Pippali fruits along with Madhu and Krita for 1 year. Pippali should be impregnated with Palakshakshara and fried with Krita. 3 such Pippalis mixed with Madhu is taken in the morning twice, one before food and second time after food. Next is very important Pippali Vardhamana Rasayana. Pippali is taken along with the milk by gradually increasing the fruits of Pippali to 10 per day. After 10 days, this is gradually decreased. Thus, in total, person should take 1000 Pippali fruits for the purpose of rejuvenation. In Chardi, Pippali should be given with Madhu and Sharkara. And in case of Shwasa, powder of Pippali, Amlaki and Shundi is taken with Madhu and Sharkara. Okay, part used, fruit and root. Dosage, Churna 0.5 to 1 gram. Moving to indications, it indicated in Udara, Prameha, Pliharoga, Gulma, Jwara, Arshas, Kushta, Shula, Amavata. Considering the varieties, there are several varieties of Pippali. According to Acharya Sushruta and Vagbata, there are mainly two, Pippali and Gajapippali. As per Rajanigandu, there are 4 types, Pippali, Gajapippali, Vanapippali and Simhali Pippali. As per Bhav Mishra, the fruit of Chavya considered as Gajapippali. Chemical composition: essential oil, caryophyllene, piperine, piperlatin, piperlongumine, piperlongumine, piperlomine, piperside, beta-cytosterol. The content caryophyllene have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect, and the piperine is responsible for its pungency. Moving to next section, classical categorization. As per Acharya Charaka, he includes Pippali in Dibaniya Gana. The drugs are Pippali, Pippali Moola, Chavya, Chitraka, Shringavera, Amla Vedasa, Maricha, Ajamoda, Palladaka, Hingu Niryasa. Second one, Asthabinopaka, Trivurt, Bilva, Pippali, Kushta, Sarshapa, Vacha, Kodajabija, Shatapushpa, Ishtimadu, Madanafala. Third one, Shirovirajanapaga, Jyotishmadi, Kshavaga, Marija, Pippali, Vitanga, Shigru, Sarshapa, Apamarga, Shveta, Mahashveta. Fourth one, Shita Prashamana, Tagara, Agaru, Danyaka, Shringavera, Ajamoda, Vaja, Kantakari, Agnimanta, Shonaka and Pippali. Fifth one, Shula Prashamanakana, Pippali, Pippali Moola, Chavya, Chitraka, Shundi, Marija, Ajamoda, Ajaganda, Jeeraga, Gandira. Sixth one, Kandya, Sariva, Kshimula, Maduga, Pippali, Draksha, Vidari, Kaidarya, Hamsapadi, Brihadi, Kandagari. Seventh one, Triptik Nagana, Shundi, Chitraka, Chavya, Vitanga, Murva, Guduji, Vacha, Musta, Pippali, Patola. Eighth one, Hikkanigrahagana, Pushkaramula, Shadi, Badarabija, Kandakari, Brihadi, Vriksharuha, Haridagi, Pippali, Duralaba, Kulirashringi. Ninth one is Kasahara, Draksha, Haridagi, Amlaki, Pippali, Duralaba, Karkarashringi, Kantakari, Punarnava, Tamlaka, Vrishira. As per Sushruta, he includes in Pippalyadigana, Amlakyadi and Trayushna. Pippaliyadi includes Pippali, Pippali Moola, Chavya, Chitraka, Shringavera, Marija, Hasti Pippali, Harenuka, Ela, Ajamoda, Indrayava, Pada, Jeeraga, Sarshapa, Mahanimbafala, Hingu, Varangi, Murva, Adivisha, Vaja, Vedanga, Kadirohini. In Amlakyadigana, Amlaki, Haridagi, Pippali, Chitraka. Last one, Trayushna. Vagbata also include in Pippalyadigana. As per Bhav Prakash, he includes in Haridakyadi, Trikadu and Panchakola. Sahasra Yoga Sujana Priya Vyakhyanam. I included some Kashaya Yoga, Churna Yoga, Gulika Yoga, Taila Yoga and Arishta Yoga in which Pippali used as an ingredient. Kashaya Yogas. Pippaliyadi Kashayam for Deepana, Vadavikara, Kafavikara, Pliha. Varangyadi Kashayam for Jirnajara, Satata, Santata, Tridiyaga, Chaturtagajara. Pippali Saripadi Kashayam for Vadajara. Amalakyadi Kashayam for Kafaroga. Vishnu Krantyadi Kashayam for Shidajara. Brahmi Drakshadi Kashayam for Vedana, Jara. Nagara Pippalyadi Kashayam for Grahani, Agni Deepti. Ela Kanadi Kashayam for Rajyakshma. Krimiknadi Kashayam for Staulya. Shundi Rasnadi Kashayam for Vadaja Swarasata. Mahabaladi Kashayam for Sarvanga Santapam. Next, Churna Yoga. Amrita Pippaliyadi Churna for Shuklasrava, Astisrava. Avipatti Churna for Pittaroga, Virechana, Kamala. Ashta Churna to increase Jatarakni. Elhadi Churna for Aruji, Parshavedana, Charti, Peninak. Kapitashtaga Churna for Adisara, Grahani, Kshaya, Gulma, Kasa, Shwasa, Agnimandya, Arshas, Pinasa, Aruchi. Karpuradi Churna for Kshaya, Kasa. Karpasasthyadi Churna for Charti. Dadimashtaga Churna for Adisara, Grahani. Talisapatradi Churna for Agnidipti, Kasa, Shwasa, Aruchi, Charti, Pliha, Hrudroga. Trigadugadi Churna for Agnidipti. Narayana Churna for Gulma, Vipanta, Vadaroga, Arshas, etc. Yogaraja Churna for Arshas, Pandu, Aruji, and Rasnadi Churna for headache called cough. Here in this, Avipatti Churnam, Ashta Churnam, Eladi Churnam, Tadimashtaka Churnam, Talisapatradi Churnam, Trigadugadi Churnam, Rasnadi Churnam contains all the drugs from Trigadu. Then Arishta Yoga. Khadirarishta for Mahakushta, Hrudroga, Panduroga, Arbuda, Gulma, Krimi. Gandirarishta for Bagandhara. Trifalarishta for Hrudroga, Panduroga, Bagandhara, Arshas, Kasa, Grahani, Kushta. Dashamularishta for Grahani, Aruchi, Bagandhara, Vadaroga, Charti, Pandu, Kamala, Kushta, Arshas, Prameha. And also for Agnimandya, Ashmeri, Mutrakrischa. It is also Shukla Balavartaka. Draksharishta. Draksharishta for Urakshada, Kshaya, Kasa, Kantaroga. Datrayarishta for Panduroga, Kamala, Vishamajara, Kasa, Hikka, Aruji, Shwasa. Shirisharishta for Vishobhadravas. Then Taila Yoga. Nagaradi Taila for Mugaroga. Gulike Yogas. Chukkan Tipalyati for Sanipada Jara. Jarangusha for Jara. Mritigadi Kuliga for Madatya, Apasmara, Visha. Vilvadi Kuliga for Vishamachara, Bodhagraha Peda. Let's conclude its features. Pipali is one of the traditional plants that are used both for preparation of exquisite culinary dishes as well as for the treatment and prophylaxis of various diseases, and also in cosmetic industry. In the past, it was even used to treat diseases such as cholera, tuberculosis, tetanus, and leprosy. The modern scientific researches has also shown that they have a number of beneficial properties that are useful for treatment and prevention of cold, cough, laryngitis, bronchitis, asthma, as well as of a number of disorders of GIT and circulatory system, and for conditions such as immune deficiency. Because of its antioxidant property, the pipali is also used as a rejuvenating agent. Swallowing pipali powder along with the honey after lunch and dinner helps release mucus from the air passages due to its expectorant property. Its consumption might also help promote weight loss by improving body's metabolism. Consuming pipali powder might be useful in managing constipation by promoting bowel movements due to its laxative property. Pipali might also be beneficial in managing toothache.